by now. He's calling and gotten his clearance outbound, and I've not heard from him yet. So I don't know if that flight's going to go.
Okay, I copy. Thank you.
Roger.
In about 10 minutes or so to do another friction check on 5 left. Just want to be sure I get that done before we have any departures. So if you do have anyone call for taxi, just tell them they're going to have to wait a few minutes till I get that runway checked.
Airport officer, roger that. No problem. Will you be on this frequency, or do I need to call the headquarters?
Yeah, you might want to run behind the ground. I'll be on ground frequency, but I'm going to be off the radio for about 10 minutes. Hey, repeat that. Tower ops had a conversation going on.
Yeah, I just happened to notice as they come by with the truck and the grader that as they went by, it looked slicker after they went by, like it was getting back down, running into cruise instead of off it off.
Roger that.
You might want to run in behind them and check. I'll make sure it's just on my eyes.
Charlie minus 186, Knoxville ground.
30, over 1.
Go ahead.
Charlie minus 186, you can taxi to the terminal, cross runway 5 left, at Golf 8, join Bravo 8, Bravo, and hold short of runway 5 right on Bravo 5, and then use caution along the taxiway.
Just hold short there for a minute. You need Sparky out there now? I think I'm going to have to run in after I make this one pass and adjust mine. 10-4, I'll just sit here and wait on you then. 10-4. Snow man, like this.
Knoxville ground, Pinnacle maintenance 3 Alpha Yankee.
Go ahead, Snow Daddy.
Pinnacle maintenance 3 Alpha Yankee, Knoxville ground.
Yes, sir, we're currently located on